How to access your nationwide insurance card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then head towards the website of Nationwide. Go ahead and type in Nationwide and search for it. Now, click on this one website option, nationwide.com, open it. Once you're in the website, at the top right, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. Then go ahead and type in your credentials, username and password and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance or policy details section. Look for an option like documents or ID cards. Access your digital insurance card and download a PDF copy or print it directly from the website. Likewise, if you want to request a physical card, you can contact customer service of Nationwide. Call on the Nationwide's customer support or send the request through their website or app to have a new card mailed to you. By following these steps, you can ensure that you have always access to your Nationwide insurance card whenever you need it. Well, that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.